Life is like a journey on a train, with its stations, with changes of routes, and sometimes with accidents. We board this train when we are born, and our parents are the ones who get a ticket. We believe they will always travel on this train with us. However, at some station, our parents will get off the train, leaving us alone on this journey. As time goes by, the other passengers will board this train, many of whom will be significant: our siblings, friends, children, and even the love of our life. Many will get off during the journey and leave a permanent vacuum in our lives. Many will go so unnoticed that we won't even know when they vacated their seats and got off the train. This train ride will be full of joy, sorrow, fantasy, expectations, hellos, goodbyes, and farewells. A good journey is helping, loving, having good relationships with all the co-passengers, and making sure that we give our best to make their journey comfortable. The mystery of this fabulous journey is we do not know at which station we ourselves are going to get off. So we must live in the best way, adjust, forget, forgive, and offer the best of what we have. It is important to do this because when the time comes for us to leave our seat, we should leave behind beautiful memories for those who will continue to travel on the train of life. Thank you for being one of the important passengers on my train. Don't know when my station will come. Don't want to miss saying thank you.